Rachel, welcome back to my channel. I am going to do January's Target box unboxings. I got these in the mail a couple days ago. Just a quick aside, if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Rachel. I am a lifestyle, beauty, and subscription box unboxing type person. I like to go over beauty reviews and everything, so if that is something interesting to you, please hit the subscribe button below. Anyway, today we are going to go over Target beauty boxes. There were two in the month of January. I have forgotten what these boxes have in them, but I figure we'll go over them today. I do really like Target boxes. They're $7 and they are they're really cheap. They are not a reoccurring monthly subscription. When they come out, you have to buy them before they sell out. And so, yeah, you get previews, you know what you're getting ahead of time. So let's go into it. So this is the first one. I just took off the plastic. I haven't looked inside. This is the second one. Really cute patterns on the outside. So this one kind of has like an air theme. This one has different things like the little symbols. It looks like people are holding something, a little medicine, like grindy thingy. Anyway, very interesting. So let's get into this first one. All right, so this says, hello skin sensational. Whether you're a contour queen or no makeup kind of gal, you'll find the perfect beauty routine. So the big thing about Target boxes that's really awesome is they always give you this $3 off coupon. It is only good for through the next month, but you can use it on pretty much anything at Target, skincare related in this case. So off $15 or more. So that's really, really cool. It does say excludes travel size, just FYI. But they give you a little rundown of the products in here. They don't usually have the prices, but that's okay. All right, they put these in like this. So just kind of haphazardly thrown in, but it's a $7 box. All right, so first product here is the CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream. Actually, I was looking for a new night cream recently, and this one had popped up in my feed. I just realized I have eyeliner on my finger. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. Anyway, sorry. This I saw and I was actually kind of curious about. So I'm kind of trying a bunch of my different samples to get a better idea on skin products before I do another big purchase. And then I have a whole big old skincare routine that once I get through like what I'm currently on, I'm going to try, but I'm not going to talk about that yet. I'm going to reveal that later because I want to go over that. It's a very interesting one. So this is what the product looks like. Just a white cream. Ooh, that is really thick. I don't even know if you can see that here. It's just a really thick cream. This is definitely going to make a good night cream. And yeah, it says apply small dots. Oh, I think little of this will go a long way. So I don't know a ton about this brand. I do know that if you have eczema, this brand has been recommended. So I'm curious about this. I'll have to look into the products or the ingredients. Sorry, I'm losing it. I did work today. Babies are asleep. And then after this video, I'm going to go to bed because I'm taping this the night before I'm going to put it out. Anyway, it says apply to the face in small dots, then smooth thoroughly before you go to bed. So yeah, cool. It's not a very big sample. It is only 0.17 ounces. All right, next sample, I'm getting all tangential, is Dove Derma Series Dry Skin Relief Replenishing Lotion for severely dry, itchy skin. Okay, this is nice. I have really dry, itchy skin, as does my daughter. There was no safety seal on this. I haven't used a lot of Dove products, but what I have used, their stuff's pretty, that's nice. Anyway, this is the lotion. It's just your typical lotion. It doesn't really have a scent. It just feels like an unscented lotion. So I will probably actually give this to my daughter because she has dry skin as well and is constantly in the need of lotions. So I'll put that in the pile for her. This is interesting. Okay, so this is the Cetaphil Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. I love Cetaphil. I love this, their stuff for their eczema cream. I use it on my children and myself. So this has gently exfoliates with microfine particles to reveal radiant, smooth skin. So I like an exfoliating wash. That's what it looks like. It's, camera's kind of washing it out, but it is just a clear jelly. And I can feel them. You can't see them. They're like these really fine beads. So, and it smells like baby powder mixed with soap. So that's an interesting smell. Anyway, so this product here is the, it's supposed to lock in the hydration, immediately follow with the moisturizing cream, which they gave you a sample of the moisturizing cream, which I do use this and it is nice. So it's, I don't love getting foil samples, but I will actually use this foil sample. All right, next product is La Roche-Posay, the Redermic Anti-Aging Concentrate with Retinol. All right, I only have one other retinol product right now. I'm gonna have to be a little careful with retinols because they tend to be very irritating on my skin, so I can't use a lot very often. But retinols are fantastic. Anti-wrinkle, they promote skin turnover. That's why they are such a awesome anti-wrinkle medication. That's also why they are used in acne, because of the skin regeneration and turnover. I'm not going to open this if this is sealed package. Yeah, so it's sealed. So I'm going to leave this shut until I'm ready to use it, but that's really neat. That's what it looks like. I think my lights are kind of washing it out. I'm going to adjust my light a little bit up here so it's not washing out my boxes so much. Okay, the next thing here is the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. I'm also on the hunt for a nice cleanser. Let's see if this one is open. Yep, it kind of has that same baby powder smell. All these have like a lotion baby powder smell. So this product here is a gently cleanses and is supposed to restore the pH balance. So yeah, their products are pretty nice. And then the final product, which I have not had a lot of experience with, but I've heard is really good on skin, is the Vichy Laboratories Mineral 89. This is a mineralizing water plus hyaluronic acid. You guys know how much I love hyaluronic acid. So anytime I can get a little serum with hyaluronic acid, I am a fan. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my forearm here. Okay, so you can see it's just a clear kind of jelly. No scent, which is a plus. I really don't like my serums having scents because let's be honest, you put on your lotions and everything else around it. I don't need yet another scent, and I just lost the cap for this. I'm just gonna put this to the side till I figure out what I did with the cap. But anyway, this is really nice. This would probably get me a week's worth of application on my face, so I will definitely try this out. I may try this out next because I am almost out of my Tarte Mermaid Skin, and I was gonna switch out my serums here. So we'll see. All right, so this was a pretty good box. So you got the Vichy, you got a nice size Dove lotion, you got the Cetaphil cleanser, we got the CeraVe night cream, the Hydrating Gentle Cleanser by La Roche-Posay, a foil packet, and then the La Roche-Posay retinol. So this is a fabulous skincare box of drugstore brand skincare. This is gonna drive me nuts that I can't find that lid. I'm gonna pause a second. All right, back. I don't know why I get a little OCD when I lose caps, so I had to find this cap. All right, let's move into the next box. That first box was pretty awesome. So this one I haven't even broken into the plastic. And of course I didn't bring my scissors in here. So I'm just gonna have to muscle through opening this up. I forget what the theme of this one was. So let's see. It does have a lot of like beauty products and other stuff on here. So let's see what it's like. And it says, hello, flawless beauty finds. If you're anything like us, you tried tested about every beauty product. True fact. And you just can't live without. So inside this box, you'll find our new favorites. All right, again, a $3 off. This is on cosmetics, skincare, and hair care. So this coupon is a little less restrictive than the other one. Again, it's only good through the 4th of next month. First thing, and I think I've gotten these before in a Target box, which I don't have a problem with getting them, but it's just a ridiculously small sample. It's their cotton rounds. I just wish they would throw in a couple more than just 2. Like, it's nice to get these, but 2 is just kind of a crazy small amount. But whatever. Ooh, look at this. We got some big things in here. Okay, I do remember this now that I'm getting into this. So the first thing here is a full-size deodorant by the brand Love Beauty and Planet. I have gotten some of their shampoo. I have never tried their deodorant, and this has no aluminum in it. Now, I'll be honest, I know that there's a big push for people to use natural deodorants that don't have aluminum, and I just use Secret and the soft solid formula, and it works. So I don't know if this is going to change my practice, but I will be willing to give it a try. Ooh, it smells like lavender and almost like a clean scent. This is not bad, actually. I don't know how well this is going to work, but that is interesting. And it's a full freaking size. That's huge. It takes me forever to get through deodorant. So that is awesome. Let's see what they say about this. Vegan and free of aluminum, alcohol, and parabens. So yeah, we'll see. I'll have to try this out and see if I like it. I'm a little picky about my deodorants, but I always like to try stuff. All right, next thing here. Ooh, I'm getting really excited about these boxes. I don't know why. Like, I get all this high-end makeup and beauty supplies, and sometimes just getting free, not free, but cheap drugstore stuff makes me quite happy. Okay, so this is the Method Body Peony Rose Water and Pink Sea Salt Body Wash. I love body wash. And I've used this brand in their hand wash. It just smells really clean. You can smell some of the rose water in here, but it's not overwhelming. Oh, this is gonna be nice. This is a huge sample. This is 3.4 fluid ounces. This is like a travel size, like the edge of a travel size. Actually, I think it may be too big to take in an airplane. But this product is, yeah, it basically doesn't say much, but that is a huge sample. This is interesting because I saw this and I thought this was going to be bigger. I've heard about this. This is the Schmidt Wonderment with activated charcoal. Smells like toothpaste. I'm going to leave it closed till I'm ready to use it. I have not tried it to see how I like it. I've just been using my good old Crest, but I'm excited for that. And then the next thing here is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Oil. So this is supposed to be gently massaged into affected areas 3 times daily or as often as desired. And it's supposed to do things like decrease scars, stretch marks, dry, damaged skin, uneven skin tone, and aging skin. So it's vitamin E oil. Yeah, basically. Okay, this is really interesting. It says it's paraben-free, phthalate-free, and hypoallergenic. The first ingredient, I don't even know if you guys can read it, is canola oil. I feel like you could just take some cooking oil and rub it on you then. But it has canola oil in here and sesame oil and cocoa oil and yeah, it's basically a bunch of different oils. There are some perfumes in here, but I'll try this. This seems interesting. I don't have a lot of scars to get rid of, so we'll see. All right, oh, there's 2 more products. This one here is the Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner in black. I don't use liners that often. I was playing with one tonight. I am not the best at doing felt tip liquid liners. I'm messy at them. I just can't seem to get them right. I was playing with this one today, the Clinique one. I can't even remember what box I got this in. And I tend to like my eyeliners as colored gel eyeliners. I just do a better job. But I don't think I've tried this one, so I'll add it to my pile. I have so many liquid black eyeliners. I'll probably declutter, and either this will go in a giveaway or I'll set this aside till I want to play with one again. All right, and then the final product here is they put a nice little thing on here, which I appreciate because I've had stuff leak. This is a product I have tried it before, but not this version of it. So this is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. And I've tried the pink one, which I don't remember what it is, but this is the all-in-one waterproof makeup remover. Now, this stuff does a fabulous job of removing makeup. However, my cellular waters on eye makeup, for me, my eyes are too sensitive, and all versions of my cellular water that I have used cause my skin to break out around my eyes. So I do keep it around to kind of like clean up my hands or my lips if I get a lot of makeup on it. But unfortunately, for a facial makeup cleanser, this does not, I can't use it. My eye area is just entirely too sensitive. I found that out when I kept getting eczema patches on my eyes. It does say all skin types and all sensitive. It's just me. I do like the makeup, the makeup remover, the wipes, the pink one, makeup eraser, that's what it is. So that's what I use just because I have such sensitive skin. All right, so that is our entire box. So this had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. One was wimpy, but the rest were, I mean, decently sized, like deluxe samples, and at least one full-size product. No, 2. And then the other one had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a foil packet. These boxes are awesome. So I felt like they were a little missed recently, but these are pretty good. I'm pretty happy with this. For $7 a piece, free shipping. Yeah, much, much better. Interestingly of note, I was looking at my subscription addiction. If you've never checked out that website, you really should. I'll try to remember to put a link below. But they were having some spoilers a while back about the Walmart beauty box, and if you haven't seen my video on that, you've got to go back and look. I'll again try to remember to link it. But that's a $5 box, and the spoilers were awful. It was like the same stuff that they keep throwing in the boxes, and they're all foil packets. And then you get these for $7 with all of these products that are decent brands, and it's kind of like there's no competition. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please let me know what you think. As always, I appreciate your comments, thumbs up, share this video, and I'll be back. Let's see, today's video is going up on Tuesday, so I will be back Thursday. I am not sure what I'm gonna post up, but I've got a couple interesting things coming up. I got some Sephora kits, and I have got my Ipsy glam bag in, and I still have my Stitch Fix to edit and put up. I keep putting that off, and yeah, so anyway, thanks guys. I will see you later.